this video I'm going to talk about the best way to prepare and pack your car when you're going on a camping trip. Now the first thing to think about is making sure that your car itself is ready for the road. So tyre pressures, washer fluid, coolant, all those kind of things to make sure you're ready. Also be aware that your car will get a lot heavier with all the camping stuff in, so you may need to think about your tyre pressure in relation to that. So next up, you need to get your car ready to be packed. Now if you're using a roof box, you need to make sure your roof rails are on, your roof box is attached in advance. If you're going to put your seats down, make sure the seats are down and just look around your car for any stuff that might be in your car that you don't need for camping to maximise the amount of space that you've got. If you can park your car securely overnight, it's a great idea to actually try and pack your car the night before you're leaving, which means you'll get an earlier getaway. So first of all, we're going to get stuff into the car. You want to pack the heavier stuff at the bottom of the car, going to the lighter stuff on the top. You don't want heavy things at the top in case they roll over, and that's a safety issue. So you don't want heavy things on the top in case you brake, they might move. It's really important to have visibility out the back of your car, so where possible, leave as much space as you can so you can still see out of your rear view mirror when you're driving. So tent will go in first, and then some of the bigger, heavier stuff, and then it's really all about maximising space. So think about tessellation, where you can get things into little gaps. You really want to squeeze as much stuff in you can. If you've got smaller items, they could go under the seats or even in the pockets in the doors. So I'll just get the stuff in the car. Another tip about when packing your car is try and do your food shopping before you go. So if you've got cool items, you can get them into your cool box with ice packs, or if it's a 12-volt one, you can plug it into your car and then you won't have loose food rattling around. And a final one on safety, if you're using gas, make sure that any gas canisters are not attached to the appliance. Make sure the gas canisters are stood up, and if you've got any electrical items, just make sure they're switched off. So that was a quick video about how to pack your car. A bit like the old game Tetris, you just need to get everything to fit together. I hope that's been helpful. There's plenty more videos like this on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and happy camping.